This is really a lot of fun, but it's also practical. It's a little tiny toolbox, and they make an upper and a lower. It's from VEVOR. It has the cool little logo thing on there. And this is your standard metal toolbox. Each of the drawers has little rollers, has a little, what is that, like a foam rubber liner. Nice little drawers. This is great for a small collection, for very small tools, for someone who just wants something neat to be in the background for their videos or something. Has a nice rubberized top. Great details in the trim. Look at how cool these details are. Super well made, strong. So while it looks like a little toy, it's actually very well made. The drawers are not going anywhere. They're not falling out. I mean, they don't need to be super strong for weight, although if you're going to put like little gold bars or something in here, I think it would do just fine. Very cool. They're portable toolbox. They come in a couple of different colors. Hope this helps.